Dali na. Dali na. Dali. Turn off my TV. Dali. Na. Daddy, do not stand, okay? Stay.
Successful na career ay napakaraming mga katanungan tungkol sa kanyang personal na buhay. Ngayon, isa-isa niya itong haharapin.
Daddy, daddy, daddy.
Every week may updates sa marital status mo dito sa SNN. You can assume so. So hindi totally na-deny. Is it still under process? It's under process pa rin. 6 years. So 6 years. Paano ka bata ka nung kinasal? 16. Anong life lesson mo? Huwag mag-asawa naman. Kahit kanina, di ba? At zero.
Daddy.
Parang
Daddy.
at feeling ko parang sa
Daddy, daddy, daddy. Nga.
sometimes you need to, point some things out, right? Okay, ilarawan mo siya. It's very conservative. Such a nice girl. I'm so lucky. I've been blessed with a very beautiful, wonderful, sobrang mabait na yes, interview niya. And actually, you need to speak to me.
Daddy,